Hello everyone, this is Gayle, and I'm just taking a quick moment to show you our April 2024 Simply Earth recipe box. Now this month's theme is cleaning. So this is my second cleaning box. The last box I got was absolutely awesome. But this is also the month that I get my big bonus box. So this is what it looks like when you get your big bonus box and your, let me see if I can get into this. These boxes are wonderful, but sometimes they're a little, probably because I have extras in here. There we go. I'll chalk that up to user error. But when you get your big bonus box, your monthly bonus box is on the inside. So if you're new and you say, all I got was my bonus box, I didn't get my recipe box, look on the inside. But I want to show you the big bonus box. You always get a welcome from Katie. But these are your 6 5mm bottles. Your 6 roll-on bottles. You get beeswax. This is an extra. I'll show you that in a minute. You get solid coconut oil. Nice big jar. It's 12 ounces. You get fractionated coconut oil and almond oil. So between these and what you get in your recipe box, you have everything that you need for the next 6 months to make your recipes. So let me just move this out of the way. There might be a few things you would need, like distilled water or, things like that. But let me show you my extra. I ordered this. See, I just had my scissors out to open the box. Well, this has come loose, so I can do that. I have a regular big diffuser that I use quite often, but sometimes I just want something like right here where I'm sitting. Why am I having so much trouble opening boxes today? I think it's because it's sealed on the sides. Again, operator error. Let me use my Cricut spatula to get in here. There we go, on that side. And on this side, there we go. But look at this. I have been so excited to get this. It's a rose. Can you see it? This is a rose diffuser. And you take this, and I'll use it in a minute after I open my box. I'll show you how to use it. But like I was saying, this month's box the theme is cleaning, and it is awesome. Haven't seen what's in here yet. I know what's in here because I do get updates. There we go. Now, let's see what's in here. Let's start with our oils. Our oils are tea tree, citrus burst, which I think that's what I'm going to put on my diffuser. Grapefruit. I love grapefruit. And oregano. So those are my 4 oils. We have an all-natural cellulose scrubbing sponge, and you can see the fibers in there. It's not plastic scrubber. It's actually natural fibers. Can't wait to use that. And we have 2 cleaning balms. And 2 multi-purpose cleaning tabs. Here's our little booklet that tells us about it. How to make different, a couple of things. This shows you how to make an all-purpose surface cleaner. There's a QR code if you want to make some more. There's another QR code here to check out the Essential Oil Hero course. There's another QR code for surface cleaners. So these are new. It says all new cleaning duo. Ditch the toxins and clean every surface of your home with this dynamic duo. So this is going to be interesting. I can't wait to do this. And of course, our recipes and our labels. So I'm just real quick going to make the April Showers diffuser blend and put it on my diffuser. And I will do these other recipes a little bit later, but I just want to see. Okay, the April Showers, 3 drops of citrus burst. If I don't put my scissors away, I'll never find them. So 1, 2, 3. 3 drops of grapefruit. Okay, and it smells so good and fresh already. 2 drops of tea tree. I shouldn't be opening these bottles. I have some other bottles that are already open. And 1 drop of oregano. On my little diffuser. Now let me smell. Oh, what a nice blend. That is really nice. And I'm going to sit this here on my craft table so that I can smell the lovely fragrance while I'm working. Now, just to tell you just a little bit about this box. This box is $157.69 value. And it only costs $44.99. But if you look below, I have a link to these. That's my link to the Simply Earth website. If you use that link and purchase the monthly box, you will get $15 off of your box and the big bonus box that you just saw. And as if that wasn't enough, there is a code also down there. It's Mimi's Market VA. There's also that code. If you use that at checkout, you will get a free $45 e-gift card by email to Simply Earth that you can use on anything that you want. On the Simply Earth website, you can get the diffusers like this. They have this one. They have a nice little succulent. Of course, they have the big ones. If you like a big one, that $45 could buy a really nice diffuser. But all of this is available on the website. And so for, let's see, 15 off of $44.95 is $30.95. Is that right? or 29. I don't know. I'm really bad. I used to be able to do math in my head, but now, well, let me do it this way. You're just here watching. You can watch me cheat. 44.99 minus 15 is 29.99. So all of this that was in your big box, everything that was in this box, except this would be extra, but you can get this with your $45 gift card. But all of the things that are in this box for $29.99. Now, you can't beat that. Of course, that's only for the 1 month. But as long as you stay an active subscriber, because after this, every month would be $44.99, which is what I pay gladly. And it's just a wonderful value. You can't get, how big are these? 15 milliliter bottles of 100% pure essential oils anywhere else for that kind of price. But one thing I forgot was to go through the April recipes. I did the April Showers Diffuser Blend. You always, oh, this smells, I'm sorry, it just smells so good. They always have a diffuser blend and a roll-on. And this month's roll-on is Risen Roll-On. And it's the same fragrances that we've already used. Then there's an Easy Toilet Refresher. Can't wait to use that. That's when you use one of these cleaning balms. Happy Home Carpet and Scrubbing Powder. Now that's interesting. With this, you do need to have baking soda from your home and an 8-ounce jar. An old pickle jar, mayonnaise jar. A simple floor cleaner. That's also using a cleaning balm. For this, you need 2 gallons of water from your home and a bucket and mop. It says, if you wish to hand wash something with this solution, be sure to wear gloves, as the essential oils are undiluted and may be irritating to the skin. Okay. Don't know what that is. Never got one of those before. And then Citrus Multi-Purpose Cleaning Spray. And that uses a cleaning tablet, the Citrus Burst Essential Oil Blend, and then from home you would need some rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, a 6-ounce spray bottle, and somewhere around 16 ounces of distilled water. So those are our recipes for April. So this is going to be a fun month. My daughter's going to be so happy because I'm going to be cleaning all month long with all these new products. So I will be back soon with some recipes. I'll do some other recipes for you. In the meantime, don't forget to click the links below and check out our website. See you soon. Bye.